Today I will show you how to download and install AttackShark software. Begin by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type the words AttackShark drivers. Press enter and wait for the results to appear. Look for the official AttackShark website. Once the website loads, take a moment to scroll down through the page. Look for the section that shows different categories of devices. You should see a section for mice. Click on the mouse option to open the list of available models. You will now see a search bar on the page. Type the exact model name of your AttackShark mouse. Make sure you enter the correct model to get the right software. After typing the model name, press enter or click the search icon. The page will show your mouse model. Click on it to open the download page. On the download page, you will see the software or driver available for your model. Click the download button. The file will begin to download. When the download is complete, open the downloaded folder after extracting it. Inside this folder, you will find the driver or setup file. Double-click it to open the installer. Follow the steps shown on the screen. When the installation finishes, open the newly installed AttackShark driver. You can now explore the software. You can customize buttons, adjust lighting, change sensitivity settings, and set up different profiles. Thanks for watching.